Hi guys, today we're gonna use the beautiful soap in Python. So it is the video for the beginners. We can try to scraping the web from the packages provided in Python. Here in my case, I'm using Python 3. So here we need two packages request in the beautiful soap to get the request from the URL that we will specify and also scrapping through the beautiful soup. So let's try and understand how we can do that. Okay. So first of all, you need to import the request package. Uh, in my system, this request package is already installed. If you have not installed it, you will have to install it through pip. In my case, I am using the Windows, so I use command pip install requests. The similar thing you have to do with all the packages if they are not available in your system. Okay, now this is the request package that I have imported, and now I need to import also the beautiful source. So from bs4 import here you can see the difference. Something the import request is directly and then from BS4 import video. So what is the difference? The difference is basically in particular module or the package you have lot of things, lot of packages installed. So instead of installing all the packages that are not needed in your system or your project, you can select only the required ones. So it will be better for your system, your application performance. Okay, so now I am creating a variable res equal to and assigning it to your requests dot get, and in our case we can like pull the data of weather website, which is http weather.com. Okay, now this variable will get all the weather.com HTML page uh, in this variable. Now I will like put the another variable soup equal to the beautiful soup, and it takes two parameters. One is res dot content and then html dot parser. Right? So here we have provided two parameters. One parameter is res.content, which is the, getting content from a weather, from the weather.com, which we have mentioned, and then the html.parse, which will pass it in the HTML. Okay, now let's print it. Okay, okay. So our code is done here. Now let me go to the CMD and execute this command. Okay. So in my PC, I have put all my code in C, then RAM, then technology, then Python, and here to execute. Let me check my version of Python. So it is 3.8.1. Okay, and let me execute Python script. That's fine. Okay, it will take some time because maybe a lot of data this website can have. Okay, so you are seeing this, right? It has fetched all the data, like you can see the divs and the scripts, tags and all. So it has fetched everything from this website weather.com. So guys, that's it for all for today. We will get more into it in a couple of the next videos, and we will find out what extensible functionality soup can provide us and what we can use to get specified tags and according to our requirement. Okay, so if you have any query or questions, you can put into comment. You can ask, and we will try to cover and answer your all the questions. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. See